We just came back from an awesome trip to San Francisco. There's just so much happening in the city. So I thought, you know what, let's make a quick travel guide of 10 things you can do in San Francisco. Before I get into it, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I post a lot of fun travel vlogs all around the world, and I'm also very active on Instagram. If you want to see where I'm at, what I'm up to, you can just check it out on Instagram. I'll link down here, so check it out. So the first thing is, a lot of people just directly fly into San Francisco, but we did a road trip. The road trip from Los Angeles to San Francisco is multiple routes, and it is a very, very scenic route. So the first thing I have on my list is the amazing scenic route to check out when you drive from Los Angeles to San Francisco. So check it out. Once you're in San Francisco, before you check out the Golden State Bridge, right next to it is the Fine Arts Museum. Now this is a beauty. You have to go there and check out the little architecture and everything. Obviously you go inside the museum, there's a lot of cool stuff, but just the outside, the building is so cool. We got some epic footage from that place. So check that out. Next thing on the list is your Golden Gate Bridge. This is the bridge you see in Full House and all around. Whenever they talk about San Francisco, they show this bridge. There's a lot of lookout points. As soon as you get on the bridge or close to the areas, you'll see all the lookout points. So let's see some of the cool shots we got from there.
San Francisco, I've been there before. I kicked down the door at those golden gates. It's San Francisco, I've been there before. So near to the shore, but it's so far away. We go San Francisco. We go San Francisco.
Let's check out is when you're in San Francisco is the Fuller House. Wow, talk about the lighting though. Wow, the lighting is so good. So let's check it out.
Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a heart, there's a heart. I hear the hold on to. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a place. Somebody's on the beat. Everywhere you look.
What's good, everybody? We are at Lombard Street. You gotta see the view over here. So we're finally back in our car. We're at Lombard and we're about to go down. It is such a scenic route. You go down the road and you can see the bay, the bridges, the whole city, everything. So let's check it out. So we made it to Pier 39, also the San Francisco Fishermans Wharf. Very happening place, lots to check out, lots to eat. This place is crazy. It's probably like everyone's here. this is super freaky. Mark Zuckerberg is directly looking at me. Look at this. San Francisco, you have to try the seafood at the pier. There's like so many different options, so let's see what we check out. You're done eating, make sure you come all the way to the back of the Pier 39. This is where you can actually see an epic view of the Golden State Bridge, of the jail, the Bay Bridge, the whole ocean, everything. This is super awesome, so check it out. Temperature has dropped a lot, but we're gonna be having some crepe at the Crepe Cafe. The famous chocolate that's here from San Francisco is called Ghirardelli, so that's the one we're gonna be in. When you're in San Francisco, you have to check out Alcatraz, the jail cell, but it was actually sold out the whole week, so we couldn't get any tickets and we're not here for that long, so probably next time. But here's what it looks like far away. So we just got to Twin Peaks. We're hiking all the way to the top. Wow, the views here are so good. You have to come here to really check out San Francisco and get ready for it. It's literally like a 5-minute hike, but it's freezing cold today, and let's go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, everybody.